My name is Karen, and I moved into this house about 8 years ago and didn't know who to call for air conditioning help, and I called SHR, and I'm so grateful I did because Stephen from SHR has been taking care of my house for the last 8 years and has done a beautiful job, and I have felt really comfortable that he is honest and will give me options so that I can make a decision about the best course for me. I have a good friend who called me, and she had an air conditioning person come out to her house from one of the big companies and said she needed a whole new unit. And so I said, well, why don't we call Stephen at SHR and see what he thinks, because I've had really good luck with him and he hasn't tried to sell me things I don't need. And so she came, I called him, he went over there, and he saved her $8,000. And I haven't had any terrible experiences, but I really liked the idea that Stephen is SHR is a family-owned company, and it feels more personal when somebody that owns the company comes out and talks to you. SHR has been really helpful and really good at explaining the issues and problems that I have with my air conditioner and what the different possibilities are. He always gives me more than one choice.